Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I'm pretty confident this is an uptrend forming, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it's most likely going to be a wave C, especially looking at the dollar and the euro dollar analysis. The euro dollar and the US dollar kind of look like they could be making like an expanding flat, so this could also be doing something along those lines. Probably go up and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think we have a nice little uptrend right here for the one. I think this is an ABC, even though it is a higher high and it's a higher high here. I think it's a running flat, and I think this is an ABC of 2 running flat for the wave 2, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 3 forming now. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is where my wave 3 target is, way up here. I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I believe this is a wave 3, which I still believe it has a lot of upside potential. This area up here is the most likely area I believe this wave 3 is going to go to, right at the 361 and the 323% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, based on my higher time frame analysis, I am definitely still looking for longs. The fact that it's going down right now is really good news for us, because if it does make a three-way pattern to the downside, ABC down, impulsive up, especially if it's like a 1 hour time frame pullback, then that's going to be a really good opportunity for us to enter long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this definitely looks to me like a trend, which tells me that it probably is a wave A. It's probably going to make some sort of a three-way pullback for the wave B, probably another push down for the wave C. If we see three ways down, we see impulsive up, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement level of this last push up right here, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Now you could possibly go short at the end of a wave B, especially if you're like a scalper. But the trade that I think is the most desirable and the most high probability trade to give a good risk to reward ratio is getting in at the end of this ABC correction for the continuation of the uptrend, which I believe is most likely a wave 1 of this big uptrend on the much higher time frames, which is most likely only a wave 1 of wave C of that big ABC correction that I was showing on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.